this video, I'll talk about how you can get free stuff in Temu. Now, usually you need to get the app to do this, so I would suggest you download the Temu app, because from the app you can get much more free. Then what you should do is do your daily check-in rewards. So if you have the app, just go to the daily check-in section, and from there you can get free rewards. Now the other thing is the referral program. So if you search for Temu referral, you can sign up to the affiliate program. And in here, what it basically means is you're gonna send this link to people, and whenever they use it, you're gonna get paid. So that is how that one works. Now, the other thing you can do is participate in promotions. So usually Black Friday or Christmas or Easter and stuff, they're gonna have promotions that you can join inside of the app. The fourth one is you can do the spin to win games. So on the app, there will be games that you can play in Temu, and that way you can earn free products or discounts and stuff like this. So those are the ways that you can earn free stuff in Temu. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.